guys! Okay, so it's only been a few seconds for me since the last video that I did on this project, but for you it could have been a few days or a week or so. I'm not sure when these are being scheduled to upload. But yes, in the last video I did all the sewing and a bit of inking. I've had to stop inking around the sewn edges because my distress ink, my antique linen pad has dried up, so although it has come to life a little bit now, but that's because I had spritzed it with water. So yeah, I definitely need a new one. Okay, so today we're going to bind the journal. Now it's going to be a ring bound journal, so I need to figure out measurements and set to with the crocodile. Okay, so, and I'm only going to do this with the decorative pages. I'm not going to do it with the others. Well, I will cut the holes, but I'm not going to do the eyelets in the other pages, just these decorative pages. Because these are going to have, you know, these are like photo pages, so they're going to take a lot of wear and tear of things going in and out of them. The other pages are designed really just for writing on or gluing pictures to. Whereas these ones, like I said, you're going to be pulling and tugging to get things in and out all the time, so they need more stability. Okay, now some of them are a little bit rough, but I can solve that by... What have I done with that now? Yeah, I can solve that by using my little metal block and my hammer, wherever I have put them. Here it is, little metal block. And my hammer, which some of you guys that have been with me for quite some time will recognise these as my stamping block and my stamping hammer. When I use metal stamps. Hey buddy.
Hey.
I could hear you lurking.
Yeah, I know. What are you up to?
Huh?
What are you up to?
I'm doing a video.
Cool. I'm just trying to distract you.
Okay. Yeah, anyway, so, like I said, those of you that have been with me for a while will recognise these from when I used to do metal hand stamping, jewellery-wise and things, key rings. This is going to get noisy and it's going to bounce because the tripod is attached to the desk, but you just put it on and give it a whack. And it flattens it and it's no longer rough. Rough, rough, rough. Yeah, pardon the pun. There we go. As a pancake, and there we are, first page done, which is uber cool. Right, so I'm going to put that to one side. Now let's do the cover. I really like how that looks. I'm loving them coloured, them brass coloured eyelets in these pages. Alright, so let's have a look at the cover. Let's do the front cover. So that is the bottom corner. I always stitch in the bottom left or right corner. So that's going to be the bottom left. Right, left. Oh my gosh. Alright, so this cover's bigger than this, so we need to centralise it a bit. Okay, happy with that. So let's make the marks there and there. And make sure you're using the right one, which is there. Let's cut the holes. That one. Oops. And whoop. That one. Now, I don't think these brass ones are going to look right with that, so I think we'll use some silver ones. So, yes. Hey, dude.
Make my entrance very loud. Stupid flip-flops.
I would have heard you coming anyway.
Yeah, I know. Well, at least the audience will know when I'm entering the room.
Okay, so we'll put that in there, and what do we do?
Press down on it.
Squish! Oops. Do you want to have a go?
Yeah, sure, why not?
Right.
I got nothing better to do right now,
I'll
so...
put this bottom one in. Just to show you, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so... Oops. Right.
Oh,
so
there goes that piece.
So we throw it on the floor. Good job, we've got lots of backups.
Should I go find it before Kid chokes on it?
No, it's alright.
Okay.
Right, so obviously, pop it in the hole.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? And then you're using that bit and that, yeah? So that goes in this top bit. You might struggle with this actually with your hands.
Yes, because they're, what's the word? Goblin hands.
No, it's just a little bit hard to squeeze, right? So that there, when it stops jumping, yeah, goes. Oh my gosh.
How about I hold this?
Yeah, it'll be alright on the night camera stuff, yeah? Yeah, please don't squish my finger.
Is it on there?
No. Right, let go.
Yes,
Right,
it's
you've
on
got it
there.
in now, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Right,
Oh, it
so
was
you
out.
put that in there.
Mhm.
Yeah, can you see that there?
Then you press on it.
So you line it up and then you squeeze really hard. Yeah?
Okay. Yeah.
There you go. So do you want to have a go at that middle one?
Sure. There you go. Do. Just get it. Is it in?
Check.
Yep. Then.
Squeeze really hard. Oh my god, you managed it one-handed. Well done, dude. Give me 5.
What can I say? I got a strong grip.
Well done.
And now my wrist is sore. Ow.
Yeah, it does. It hurts. Good job, buddy.
Maybe I'm too strong for my own good. I'm gonna leave you to it.
Can I implore you to do the rest of them?
No. You're the one reviewing it. I mean, making it.
Yeah, I know.
Reviewing, remaking. I don't know.
I'm not reviewing.
I
I'm
keep track of every video that you make.
No, I'm not reviewing it, buddy. I am making it, but yeah. Good job. Thank you for helping.
You're welcome. Never excuse me. I need to go do some chiropractor on my fingers.
Awesome. Thank you.
Welcome.
And there we go. That is cool, that. Okay, so they need bashing down as well. I won't do that on camera. That's got nothing to do with myself or Taylor. It's just the crocodile sometimes. Like I said, it is really hard to squeeze this sometimes, and it's thick as this. So also sometimes it's the eyelets because I'm using cheap Amazon ones. But yeah, so there we are, guys. That's that. Now I'm going to there we are. I'm going to say I'm going to have a look frantically now for my eyelets that I found. Oh, I've only found the small ones. Why am I only finding small ones? Have I run out? Oh no, I think I've run out. Alright, well, where are my big ones? Anyway, just for the time being, we'll try and get in these tubs. Dear me. Oh, actually, while we're here, do we want book corders? Let's see, shall we? Do we? I don't think we do. Normally I'd be like, yeah, we need book corners, but I don't think we do. I don't like it. No, I don't think it adds anything, so no, we won't. I still really want to round the corners. I wonder if it'd work. Do I really want to try it? Oh, it does work. Oh, it does work. Okay, so we're rounding the corners. Sort of. It works a little bit. Right, this is really thick, is this? So, but it did work a little bit. So, right. So we don't want book corners. We don't want the hinges, or do we? This is the closure side of things. This is a hitch post. Do we need that? Should we put one of them on, do you think? I think we'll wait until the end to decide that. Right, I can't really do anything with these because they're not big enough and I don't know where my other ones are. Then for them, that's the hitch posts. In fact, no, they're two different. No, they're not different ones. No, they screw into them. Alright, so I'm down to 2. Oh man, I've run out. But I do have some more, I know I do. Okay, well, just for the time being, we'll use 2, which is fine. At least it'll just keep it all together. But I know I've got 2 bags of other rings, so these are the rings that we're going to be using to bind it. So for the time being, we'll just go in the top and the bottom, like so. So I've got one there, and then one there, and I think, yeah, that's a good place to put them. Yeah, I'm happy with that. So let's do it that way. Let's pop that first page in. There and there like that. Yes, I like it. Okay, so I'm going to have to go and find my other rings and then I will bind the rest of the journal. Okay guys, so I'm going 26 minutes, yeah, we'll call it a video. Alright, so that's where we're at now with this project, and I will have that done and dusted by the time we come back, including all the pages in between, because I'm not putting eyelets in them, I just need to punch. But yeah, so basically, you know, obviously because this page is a lot smaller than the other pages, but basically you just kind of eyeball to try and get it in the middle, or you could have one page down at the bottom ish, make sure it catches, and then another page higher up, so they're staggered, but I want it fairly in the middle, so we'll just go there like that, and then we'll turn over and we'll draw the circles in. And what I'll do then is, instead of like punch punch, do the next one, punch punch, I will go through every page now and do that until they're all done, until they've all got marks on them where I want them. Then I will just punch them all in one go, a bit like a conveyor system sort of thing. Yeah, not conveyor. Yeah, what's the word? I can't think of the word for it. No. I can't think of the word. Anyway, that's what I'm going to do. So, mass production, that's it. So still a little bit like a conveyor belt. Okay, so that's that one. And then we want this one. Again, roughly line it up in the middle, approximately. Okay. I need to make sure that was in the right order. Yeah. Because I think I turned it. I did. So they should actually be like that. Yeah. Gotta be careful, otherwise you end up with your rolls upside down. Anyway, I will sort it and then I will get it all done and I'll show you in the next video. Okay guys, so bit of fun there teaching Taylor. Yeah, so I love you and leave you here guys. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you all again soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!